In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Google Docs. Whether you're asking someone to edit your document, you want to give them limited choices, or you simply want to make your project status updates more organized, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Doc and click anywhere inside the document where you want the drop-down to appear. Once you're ready, type the @ symbol on your keyboard. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. After typing @ you'll see a list of smart suggestions pop up. From those options, click on Dropdown. This is the feature that lets you insert structured choices directly into your document. Next, when the drop-down window appears, you'll notice Google gives you a few preset options including project status and review status. These built-in templates come with pre-selected labels and colors, making them perfect for quick updates or team collaboration. But if you want full control, you can also create your own custom drop-down. Just click New Dropdown, type in your option names, and choose the colors you want. This helps make your document more visually organized and easy for others to follow. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Decide beforehand what options you want to include, keep names short for a cleaner look, and use different colors for better clarity. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent confusion when multiple people are editing the same document. Once you've created your dropdown, click outside the box to place it into the document. After that, you should be able to click it anytime and choose from your preset options without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test the dropdown once or twice to make sure everything works exactly the way you want. Taking this extra step ensures your document stays clean, consistent, and easy for others to update. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a drop-down menu in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be working on shared documents. Why not make someone's day easier?